Hello everyone, today we'll be talking about litigation. This is from Jimmie Hinze Construction Contracts, Chapter 3. Before we know what litigation is, we have to know what a contract agreement is. So contract agreement is essentially an agreement, usually between two parties, that is enforceable by law. So what is litigation? Well, in these contract agreements, there may be disputes where the two parties can't resolve the issues by themselves, so they take it to court. When they do this, a formal litigation starts. When these two parties take their case to court, the court relies on statute law, the Constitution, and common law. Statute law is written law passed by a body of legislature. The Constitution is the governing law of the US, and common law is based largely on tradition or accepted practice over a period of time. What this basically means is that these common laws are created by the judges based on the rulings of the past. In construction, they rely heavily on common law because if there is nothing illegal done, if there's no laws that are broken, they have to go based on, past court cases that can provide clear guidance in situations where there's no formal law. So let's talk about a real-life example in which there was a contract agreement where two parties couldn't come to an agreement by themselves and they took it to court to make a decision. In 1921, there was a dispute that was taken to court between Jacob and Youngs Incorporated versus George Kent. Jacob and Youngs constructed a residence for George Kent. There was no concern over any non-compliance or over defective performance until March 1915. This is 10 months after. The issue was essentially that in the specifications, the contractor used the wrong type of piping. The owner wanted it to be reading manufacturer, but the contractor used Coho's brand. The owner asked for the pipes to be replaced, but the contractor refused because considerable demolition would be required and it would be very, very expensive. The contractor contended that the installation was the same quality, appearance, and cost the same as the specified pipe. So the court determined that although the contractor used a different brand of pipe, the issue was trivial and innocent, and omission of the prescribed pipe was neither fraudulent nor willful. The court's decision was based on the high cost of replacing the pipe versus the actual difference in value. So in conclusion, although the contractor used a different brand of pipe, the quality was the same, the appearance was the same, and the cost the same, and it wasn't done willful. Therefore, the case was dismissed. Make sure you like and subscribe, and let me know what other topics you'd like me to cover, and I'll see you in the next video.